Hi, this is Dave, Fell Running Guide. Welcome to this week's navigation task. Very straightforward one this week. Simply want to know why the trees are shaded in different colours, slightly different shades of green on this map. This is the Woodland Survey Explorer 1 to 25,000. So why are these trees a kind of yellowy green, whereas these trees are a darker green? So a few different answers from people on this. Someone suggested it was the different types of tree itself, some being coniferous and deciduous. Well, that's not the answer, because if you look closely inside, you can see that there are different tree symbols here. There's like the Christmas tree type symbol, and then the traditional deciduous symbol in there, but you've also got those in here. So it's not to do with the type of tree. It's very simply to do with access, where you can and can't go. So the yellowy green area is access land. Now, if you're not familiar with that, if you see this kind of marker pen thick boundary line here, almost like a sand colour, same colour as the contour lines, this is the boundary of access land. And if you're inside access land, you don't need to stay on public rights of way. If you're on foot, you can go wherever you want. Whereas if you're not in access land, so here's a good example. Look, this bit here is access land. This here is out of the access land. So there you'd have to stay on public rights of way. You couldn't just go rights of way. You couldn't just go where you wanted to go. So technically here in this Hag Side area, you would have to stay on this bridle way going up here. You shouldn't really go along this track here, because you haven't got a right of access there. Similarly with this track down here. However, up in this area, the Lockerbrook area, we've got a bridle way going through there anyway, but we've got these tracks coming down, so you would be allowed to use these because this woodland is access land. So it's as simple as that, the difference between access land and non-access land. So hope that was a little interesting fact for you. Thanks for watching, and look out for next week's navigation task. Bye for now.